welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage door lock keeps spinning bolt fix, alignment plus reset. When a Schlage door lock spins without engaging, it is usually caused by a loose set screws, a strapped internal tailpiece, misaligned door hardware, internal actuator failure. Here is how to troubleshoot and fix the issue ranked from simplest to the most advanced. Fix 1. Tighten the set screw for handles and knobs. Locate the small set screw on the neck of the door handle, usually on the underside or facing the inside of the room. Then use an Allen wrench to tighten it securely clockwise. Fix 2. Check door alignment and latch. Test if you have to lift or pull the door to get it to the latch. If your door sags, you may need to tighten or shim the hinges. Check if the strike plate pocket is fully 1 inch deep so that the bolt can fully extend without binding. Fix 3. Inspect the tailpiece for keypad dead bolts. Remove the interior assembly of the lock from the door and check the metal tailpiece, which is the flat bar that passes through the door. If it is stripped or snapped, it must be replaced. Then reassemble the lock, ensuring the cam and tailpiece are perfectly aligned when the bolt is retracted. Fix 4. Reset the electronic lock. Remove the battery cover and disconnect the battery. Then press the exterior stage button once. Now reconnect the battery while maintaining pressure on the button and hold it for 10 seconds until you see a solid green light and hear a beep too. Then press the default code found in your user manual to see if the mechanism engages correctly. Fix 5. Lubricate the mechanism. Remove the lock from the door and access the internal component. Apply a graphite powder lubricant to the internal gears. Avoid heavy grease or standard oil, which can attract dirt and cause the lock to fail over time. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.